Today we're going to show you how to make this spooky gravestone. If you haven't seen it, we've been featuring Halloween content all month long. Yesterday we released a video showing you different ideas for gravestones, so definitely check that out if you haven't seen it. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content, because there's more content coming this way. But let's get to it and show you how to make this spooky gravestone. So as you can see here, here's all the pieces that were included in this build. Over here in the right upper hand corner were some of the pieces that were included from the spooky VIP add-on pack, the free pack on Lego's site right now. If you spend more than $50, 40513 to be exact. But we used a few of those pieces here, and then there's one of these pieces here that came from that pack. But we'll do a speed build now to show you how to quickly put this together. Feel free to stop, rewind it as you go through so you get an idea of how to put this together. So there it is, final product. Thanks for building with us. You can use this in your Halloween set. Include the spooky VIP pieces. Just a few call outs. This top piece can be replaced with a few pieces. So for example, you could take that off and put a bat on just fine from the spooky VIP add-on pack. It would look great. So there's that version there with just the bat. And then on the sides here, you can really decorate this as much as you want with shrubbery and foliage on the side. Just depends on what type of plants that you have. So used a few different options here, but kind of did it to really dress up the grave. Definitely check out all of our other videos that we've done with the spooky VIP add-on pack and the other gravestone ideas. Let us know if you want to see any of those other builds done in more detail. Happy to break those apart for you too. Please like and subscribe. We're still on our mission to 1,000 subscribers and really appreciate everyone that's subscribed so far. Such a great reaction to everything so far this month. So we're going to keep these videos coming for you all Halloween long. Thank you. Happy Halloween.